everyone. I'm LaShawn. As a technical product manager and AI engineer, I'm excited to walk you through my market trend discovery AI agent. This project was developed during the Wayfair AI Agent Engineering Externship to solve a critical challenge in market research: context contamination. Traditionally, tracking emerging decor trends across Amazon, social media, and design blogs is a manual, very slow process. But what if you could turn all that fragmented data into a professional strategy report in under 3 minutes? Today, I'll show you exactly how this agent does that, moving from the user chat interface through multi model reasoning and finally a decision ready report. It all starts here in the chat. The agent doesn't just take a prompt, it validates intent. I've entered shag rug request along with the live Amazon collection URL and a specific product link. Before any data is pulled, the agent's first job is stage one validation. It checks to ensure category is supported and the URLs are well formed. This prevents the system from wasting API credits on dirty data. As soon as I hit send, the workflow triggers our live scraping engine. Now let's look under the hood. While the users see a loading bar, the agent is executing a high-speed data relay. We start with stage 2 sourcing. Here the agent runs two parallel paths. In stage 2A, we're scraping live product specs from Amazon. I've engineered this to be flexible. It can crawl entire search collections to extract product links or navigate directly to specific product URLs. I'm using Cheerio to parse out the critical metadata, everything from price and brand to specific patterns and ratings to ensure reliability and mimic human browsing. I've integrated a 1.5-second delay between requests. Simultaneously, Stage 2B pulls real-time trend signals from social media and design blogs. As you can see on the screen, we have a combination of stage 2 where it's going through the Amazon URLs and direct product links, and then the cleaning of the code, moving into the HTML. As the agent goes through the URLs, if there's any empty data, duplicates, they're removed to get a clean output. The inputs are JavaScript codes to prompt the AI engine, while the outputs are clean data, removes bullets, um, markdown data that makes it impossible for the Mistral API to process. As the agent goes through the workflow, it pauses to mimic human behavior. Once or simultaneously as it goes through the URLs for Amazon and the product links, it also goes through Instagram, Pinterest, blogs, and market data to see what's trending. All of this raw data converges at our merge node, where a custom JavaScript function cleans and structures the output into a clean JSON format. This ensures that when we move to stage 3, our Mistral LLM receives a high quality, noise free dataset to analyze. Once the data from Amazon, social media, and industry blogs is aggregated, we move into stage 3, the intelligent processing. This is where our Mistral AI transforms raw, unstructured descriptions into structured market intelligence. Starting at the merge node, the agent executes multi-step reasoning chain. It begins by judging the product category and standardizing details to ensure consistency across different sources. In between each node, we have a wait node to mimic human behavior. The Mistral chat model has a system message that improves the analysis so we can identify top trends, moving beyond generic labels to pinpoint specific microsegments. For example, determining if a product fits a modern organic aesthetic or a traditional Persian style. Throughout this stage, I've integrated custom scripts to clean, sort, and validate the data, ensuring the final output is both accurate and action ready. Next, we move to stage four, where we bring these data driven insights to life. The agent generates photorealistic mood boards so stakeholders can actually see the trends, not just read about it. To do this, I use Gemini model to translate our identified microsegments into highly optimized image prompts. These prompts pass through a JavaScript node for final API cleaning before hitting the Hugging Face Flux 1 Snail API. A critical technical step here is the encode to base 64 node. This acts as a bridge between the AI generation and our final output. It transforms raw image data into a text format that is hard coded directly into the HTML. This ensures the final report is a single portable file where the image are embedded and ready to view instantly without external housing. In stages 5 and 6, Google Gemini takes over the heavy lifting of synthesis. It analyzes price points, material, durability, and market risk to write the actual content of our report. This is the payoff. The agent assembles all that reasoning into this decision ready HTML report. At the top, we have a clear executive summary. As I scroll down, you'll see the attribute analysis. Gemini has automatically broken down price distribution and material trends from the Amazon data. The visual trend generator is where you'll see the mood board images and it tells what is trending. We wrap up with a risk and opportunity assessment for a product manager. That is the so what. It tells us exactly where the white space is in the market. It's a complete research cycle, fully automated. To close out the report, recommendations are given to help plan strategies and see what customers' interests are. The final output is the Shag Rug Trend Report. This includes the executive summary, market research. It goes over details about pricing, size, colors, trend analysis, and that's the end of the demo. I want to make it clear that this is a simulated project developed for the Wayfair AI Agent Engineering program. While it uses public data and doesn't connect to Wayfair's internal system, it demonstrates the power of hardware aware AI and agentic workflows in a technical product environment. This agent turns hours of manual scrolling into 3-minute intelligence loop. Thank you for watching. This concludes my demo. I've had fun with this project. Please check out my other videos on agentic AI and tag along for my next project.